Hello there everybody, here's Matheus from Telegy Studio, and in this video we're going to learn how to copy the UV from one model to another model. Let's say we have a different model that it's kinda similar but a little bit changed, and we want its UV sets to be basically the same as the other one. One thing that's very important is that the models has to have basically the same amount of vertices. Here we can see that this model has a different UV, but I would like it to have the same UV as the previous one. So basically, to do that, we are going to copy the UV from the previous one to this one. And to do it, we are going to Object Mode, and then we are going to select the current one, and then the one that we want to copy the UV from. Press Ctrl L and select Copy UV Maps. Now we just need to see if it worked. Yup, it worked. I hope it worked for you as well, and see you in the next video. Bye.